BioChain Institute, BRCA1 and 2 characterized tissue and plasma samples. While many factors may increase the risk of breast cancer, such as smoking or exposure to chemicals or radiation, about 5 to 10% of cancer cases are associated with inherited genetic mutations. Genes called BRCA1 and BRCA2, short for breast cancer gene, were the first genes to be associated with a strong family history of breast and ovarian cancer. Because people with BRCA gene mutations have such significantly increased risks of breast and ovarian cancer, testing for BRCA gene mutations can be an important step in personalizing cancer screening and risk management based on genetic risk factors. Are you looking for breast cancer tissues with BRCA and TNBC information? BioChain launching new BRCA characterized breast cancer tissue plus plasma samples. Breast cancer tissue samples have been characterized for BRCA1 and BRCA2 genetic mutations using NGS, and can be used in genetic testing validation, diagnostic assay development, cellular localization studies, and many other applications. Please reach out to our technical support specialist for more information.